Welcome back, friends. Today we would be going to the Oracle Database Performance number 10 out of 12 series. So I'm totally trying to, okay. So this is number 10 and you can look for the other 1 to 9 in my channel. And before we go get into the demo session, let's try to review the key concepts. So we would be actually seeing about the DBA tables. This contains the details about the tables. And okay, dbms underscore stats gather table underscore stats. This particular command does yeah it gathers the stats for the table. Chained underscore rows, this is the table which gets created by running utlch chain.sql. This contains details about the rows. When I run an analyze command, details about the rows or the tables which has the chained rows. And when I run this analyze table, my list changed rows. So basically this list the changed rows here in this particular table. V dollars is a stat for collecting the system status stats, and this is for the session status. So what are the change rows? So the rows which are updated, and while updating it no more can adjust into the same block because the percent free block on that particular block is not that adequate. It has to be migrated to another row in continuation. So that particular phenomenon is called chain rows. Okay, now let's get into the demo and the doc review. And before we go here, okay, so let's go here. I have my setup, and okay, so user, which is this. Let me connect to my demo slash Oracle, which I connected. Then drop table my object, which is done. Okay, create table as select asterisk from all underscore objects. Okay, create table. Now I'm going to alter, okay, dsc my objects. Okay, so I do not see I'm going to add a new column, alter table my objects, add new call varchar2 alter table my objects, add new call var2. Okay, now we are going to execute a dbms underscore gather dot I'm trying to recall, dbms underscore stats. I think, yeah, I have to remember. Okay, dbms gather table stats. I just forgot this command because I'm not able to recall, but that's fine. dbms underscore stats gather table stats user my stats. So I gathered the stats. Now I have to find the average length and the number of rows occupied by table my objects, and this is the query which says the average row length is 133 bytes. It has occupied 1349 blocks, and 10% of the blocks are free. Okay, so we have to understand, read this way. Now we are going to perform a large update here. Let's see if we are able to paste. Okay, so we are able to do it. How do we do that? Okay, let's copy this online notepad, and okay, I go here 1 second. Okay, so so it's running basically, right? And once it runs completes, we will be again gathering this. So what it's doing, it is running 1000 times, and it is updating my objects table, and it is putting the set new column to a value, character value, which is yeah, like a long value, and it's running in an end loop. And I think what happened here, okay, so basically what happened, like, this particular command ran and rest other were ignored. So somewhere, let's see, I think we need to wait for some time, and Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so still it's taking time. Okay, so it got completed, and let's execute the stats here on this particular table. Okay, so the stats got gathered. Now we run that again the same query to find average length and other stuffs. Let's see. So we see the average row length has got increased to 283 bytes, blocks has been increased to 2920, and the PCT free is the minimum percentage free on the blocks to for further update. So still we are good here. Let's see. We need to drop this chain table, and okay, let's drop this. Table of view does not exist. Let's see. Okay, can I run this as a sysdbcon demo / oracle? Although my user has a okay table created. Let's commit dsc chained underscore rows. Okay, so there it is. Now let me run the analyze command. Analyze table my objects list chained rows. Analyze table list table. Okay, now let's try to see in this particular table we have 3161 rows against my object tables where the rows has been chained, or basically it has moved to next row, so issue a query, select query where row num is like this, and let's see what it does. Okay, so it ran so many things, and we are going to collect the statistics number, and on the table fetch continued rows. And what is this? Okay, there's no other rows here. What does that mean? Okay, select set. We are going to see the current 2, which is the 2 is my set, and okay, I have to update this query to 0.1017 here, 1017 here. Okay, so it says no row selected. Okay, why? Because I have to change this value through this. Okay, so it says let me see here where username is equal to demo, no row selected. Select the value from where statistics number is equal to 107 and set is equal to 2. I think let's go back here. Okay, okay, I copied twice 1017 and my set is 2. Okay, and then I go from here, and okay, so I'm not seeing any values here. So let's move here. We will discuss. We'll see what is down the line. So the thing is, like, we are going to drop this table. We are going to create this table with the PC tree, for instance, have entry. Okay, create table object, table created, and we are going to add a new column again here, table alter. We are going to execute the stats here, which we did it. We are going to see what is the block and the percentage fee here, which is like 70% is free, 4128, and we are going to perform big large update here again, and we'll see what it says here. Okay, so it's going to take time, and once that is done, we are going to truncate this table, again going to analyze it, and then we are doing to see count 0. Okay, and then yeah, so basically the objective of this was to say, that the change, what is the change row and how it is dependent on the PCT free. Okay, so still running, let's see. I think it's take like 2 minutes near about. Begin for I in 1 to 1000, so it's going to run 1000 times in a loop, and each iteration it is going to set a new value to the new call, and it went. Okay, now I'm going to truncate this table, which is here, truncate table chain underscore rows. I'm going to analyze this command here, and table is analyzed, and after this analysis this will list out. Okay, so there are no chained rows. I'm going to run again this query. I'm already in the demo and Oracle, and let's see, select object name from my, okay, so there are so many 10,000 rows. Select set, which I think is going to be 2 as per this. Select a value from statistics 1017 and set is equal to 2. Let's see, it says 236. Okay, I think somewhere this is not matching the way we went ahead, but so preferably you have got an idea what we did here, so that is more important. So we look about what is the PCT free. So the PCT free is the minimum percentage of the space left in the block. Okay, that is the first part. The second is what is the chained rows. So whenever an existing row is updated and its length is like bigger, it has to be migrated if it is not able to get fit into the PCT underscore free. So that is the minimum free space that needs to be maintained. Okay, and that's like a property of this block level. So it has to be migrated to the other block. That's number one. The average length, whatever the value we get it from the db underscore table based on the table name objects, is the length in bytes. Okay, so we see you again in the tables in the next video, and till then, take care, bye.